There are times when you couldn't care less about Microsoft Edge saving browser history. But for those times when you want to keep your browsing history to yourself, you can always use the private mode. So instead of manually having to open a private tab, there are some adjustments you can make so that it will automatically show up in the private mode browsing. So in this video, we will show you exactly how to do that. Now if the Microsoft Edge icon is on your taskbar, you can right-click on it, select Properties, then look for the target string, and at the end of the text, you should add the word in private with a space after the word default. Then after doing that, if you open Microsoft Edge, it should always be in private mode. So that's how you can make Microsoft Edge always open in private mode. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.